Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you on how you can send Bitcoin from Coinbase to an external wallet. So first, you just have to make sure that you have prepared the wallet address of the external wallet that you're going to be sending crypto. So what you're going to do is just open your Coinbase. So from here, just go ahead and tap on the Bitcoin at the bottom. Just click on that one. Once you do that, just go ahead and tap on transfer at the bottom right. Just tap on this one and go ahead and tap on send. So from here you have to select the network. So just click on this on that Bitcoin. It's the default. So after that you will have to put the wallet address. So you're just gonna paste the wallet address, copy it from your external wallet. And then just provide the amount and that's it. You just have to confirm the transaction and that's pretty much it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.